Did you know that one of history's greatest leaders once buried his own daughter alive and hunted down innocent believers with a sword? This is the shocking story of Umar ibn al-Khattab. In ancient Arabia, Umar was feared as a ruthless warrior who followed brutal pagan customs. He violently opposed Muhammad's peaceful message and made it his mission to destroy the early Muslim community. But in 616, something extraordinary happened. Umar set out with his sword to kill Muhammad himself. Instead, he heard verses from the Quran that completely shattered his worldview. In that moment, the hunter became the hunted by truth itself. He converted immediately. As the second caliph, Umar transformed into history's most just ruler. He would disguise himself at night and walk among common people, checking if anyone was hungry or suffering. He once wept, saying that even if a dog died of hunger in his territory, God would hold him responsible. This teaches us that no one is too far gone for transformation. The most radical changes often come from the most unlikely people. Your past doesn't define your potential.